friends, I am Engineer Saifullah and you are watching Civil Engineer Site YouTube channel. So guys, today I am going to share with you what is MAR, Material Approval Request, and what you will attach in this document, who will prepare this document, and from where you will get the data to prepare this document. Before starting the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our video, and comment your suggestion in the comment section. So let's start our videos. First I will give you the definition and some details here. After that I will take you to my laptop screen for the MAR, Material Approval Request. Some people are confused in MAR and MIR. MIR is something different and MAR is different. MAR is a Material Approval Request. When you want to use material in your project, before purchasing the material, before bringing the material to site, you have to take an approval from the consultant or client for the material which you want to bring it to site. For that approval, you have to submit some documents with technical submittal form to get approval for that. Which type of documents MAR included? Approved pre-qualification of the company or vendor, technical data sheet of the material, and compliance sheet of material with the project specification. These and the test certificates, quality test certificates, country origin certificates, and much more data about the company and vendor is present in MAR. But the most important is pre-qualification. All the certificates are including pre-qualification, technical data sheet of the material, and compliance sheets of the material with project specification if needed. These three these three items are included in MAR, and then you submit MAR to the consultant. When the consultant give you approval on the MAR, after that you have to bring the material to the site, and when you bring the material to site and you raise MIR, Material Inspection Request, and when the material is inspected and found valid as per approved MIR, then you can use that material. So I hope you will get the idea about that, what is MIR. So now let's move toward the laptop screen to show you how to prepare MIR and what are included in MIR. Thank you. So dear friends, you can see the technical submittal form or MAR for the material. So this MAR we submitted for the toilet AC series from Al-Ghamdi company. So here you can see the MAR number, submission date, contractor, project manager, and this is a submittal, technical submittal. So with the technical submittal format, when you want to submit material MAR, shop drawing, design drawing, test reports, manufacturer data, catalog, sample, as-built drawing, pre-qualification, method statement from any disciplines at site. So you have to attach the technical submission, and here you have to write the description about whatever you want to submit. So here we are submitting material MAR. So here you have to write this description and detail about your material, technical data sheet for toilet AC series. Okay guys, so let me show you what you will attach in the MAR. You have to attach the test reports, technical data sheet, compliance sheet. So let me show you what's here. This is a compliance sheets for the material. You can see it here. You have to write this is a Bobrick supplier, serial number, picture of the material. This is the project specification about this material, and this is the proposed model specification. This you will get from your client, and this you will get from the supplier. When you submit your project specification to the supplier, so he will make the compliance statement or compliance sheet for you, and he will cross-check all the specs with their proposed model specification. If it's complies, so they will write comply. If not comply, they will say not comply, deviation in size and projection, not comply, deviation. So this is not approved. So this is the compliance sheets or compliance statement for the material. Here you can see this is for the automatic soap sensor soap dispenser. This is also another material, wall mounted jumbo roll toilet paper dispenser. Here you can see comply. So all the specification from the company and project specifications is matching. So because of that, compliance is approved. After the project specification and the compliance sheets, you have to also attach the technical data sheet of the material. So let me show you the technical data sheet. Here you can see this is the technical data sheet. In technical data sheet, here you can see code, item, deck mounted sensor, soap dispenser, battery operated material, color, finish, dimension, location where you have to put it, install it, product data, capacity, whatever, all the details about the material you will get from the technical data sheets. So in MAR you have to attach compliance sheet. After that you have to attach the technical data sheets of the material, and you have to attach test reports and the compliance statements also. Let me show the test reports, pre-qualification of the company. All these data you have to submit it. So these are some test reports for the material. Here you can see these all the test reports, compliance statement, technical data sheet you will get from the supplier. So the process is that when you want to submit MAR, so the first you have to submit pre-qualification for a company. When you get approval for the company for that pre-qualification, after that you have to submit MAR. And when you get approval for the pre-qualification, so you just have to send the project specification to the supplier from where you will purchase the material, and they will give you the test certificates, compliance statements, technical data sheet of the material. All these you will receive from the company or the supplier from where you will purchase the material. You just have to arrange it and attach to the technical submittal form and submit it to the consultant. So guys, if you find this video informative, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new. Thank you so much for watching our video.